Hello there and welcome to Sanger Studios. Today I want to talk to you about what you can see over here on this side of the screen, which is a looper. I've been working on it for absolutely ages. It's coded in C sound and the user interface is quite new. I've only been doing that for a week or two. And that's written in Python and tkinter. It's not very pretty, to be honest, but it does the job. I'm quite new to Python, so I think the code is probably a big mess, but it just about works, so never mind. Anyway, today I want to show you what it is and what it does. Let me just put my headphones on. Okay, so first of all, you can set the tempo up here to anything you want. Let's slow it down a bit and say 95-ish. There we go. And if I press play now, we should hear a click at 95. Very good. And there are 4 beats per bar at the moment in all of these loops. You can see the loops down here going from 0 to 9, so there are 10 loops altogether. The loops can actually record in mono or stereo, but the way I've got the mic set up at the moment and everything, I'm just going to use mono today. So let's just record something simple. I've got a few percussion instruments down here and another microphone, so let's start with this this big Uzbekistani drum here that I've had for years and years. Here we go. Let's start it off, and then I'll press overdub to overdub onto this empty loop. There we go. Now I can overdub again on this loop if I want to, or I can move to the next one along and record something else. So let's do that. And we'll stay in 4 beats at the moment. And here's a tambourine, so let's try this one. Okay, good. Don't think we need the click at the moment. It's a bit out of time, never mind. Now, the next thing I could do is record another loop with a different number of beats on the top. So I'll just turn the click back on again, go to loop 3, and let's say I want a 5-beat loop over the top of this. It resets the clock there, and you can hear the click is now going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I put something on the top of this, it will come into cycle every 20 beats, and makes things quite interesting. So let's see what I can put on here. Okay, so click off again. So that's quite interesting. Now, the next thing you might notice up here is this very long speed indicator. And with this, I can actually speed up and slow down the entire system. And now if I record on a new loop, it'll keep the speeds and tempos relative to each other. So I'll turn the click back on and I'll record something else on here. Maybe I'll record some more cowbell. Something like that. Here we go. Now I can slow that down again. I could record something at a slower speed here and speed it up again. Shakuhachi on there. Quite overpowering actually. Now I quite like that, but I'm going to erase this loop and do it again, but record it at a much higher speed and then slow it down. Oh, it won't let me drag that. There we go. Let's make the loop cycle a bit longer. Let's give it 11 beats just to make it fun. Okay, here goes. Pan a few things around as well. Well, I like that quite a lot. I'm going to add another loop of the same thing so I can pan them around a bit. But let's make it a different length of loop for the sake of fun. Let's make it 13. And I'm going to speed it all up again and record some more shakuhachi. clipping going on there, I think. That is quite fun. So that's about where I've got to so far with this looper. My plans for this are, firstly, I need to, well, at some point I need to do a lot of sanity checks, because at the moment if you type in the wrong numbers or do the wrong thing, it'll go a bit balmy. I want to get MIDI control working so I can use a set of sliders, this sort of thing, if you can see that. Some MIDI control that's upside down to control the looper volumes and pans, so you can sort of perform the loop. I want to integrate some effects, definitely reverb and delay, possibly some compression within the looper itself, so it's self-contained. I need things like an input mixer, and well, that might be about it really. I do need to really tidy the code up as well, because it's evolved over several years, so it's kind of like spaghetti in there. Oh, the other thing I need to do is keyboard bindings. At the moment it's all mouse driven, which is handy for these videos because you can see what's going on, but I'd much prefer it if I could have keyboard shortcuts for all of the different parts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please subscribe and drop me a thumbs up or a comment or something like that if you have any questions. And thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.